Okay, hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, improvement tutorial. We are going to be working on this, seeing if we can improve it into a newer version that is better. So you guys will be the judges, and I will just design all through the way. So first of all, I have my stock image here. I just wanted to try something different, a little bit different, although I do not have this particular image and currently not have access to an AI tool. Probably if you could recommend anyone, I would also love it if you do that in the comment section. So I'll be just designing it, enough talking, let's get into it. Using my shape tool, the rectangle to draw the shape here. To draw the shape here, then I will change the colors. I have two color palettes here. I think I should move this to this side. I have two colors and I have them from different shades, from darker shade to a brighter shade or to a lighter shade. And my concept what I have, I just want to put all the centralize her. It has the central focus here and have some kind of like an effects, a blend effects, and see if it would work there. And just let me just see if it would materialize. I've not done it before, just want to see how it looks like. So I'll have a circular shape drawn here at the middle here, and I'll span it out. I want to make the background green. I think I should use this instead. Or let me just stick to the darker one and have this to be the lighter one, or not the lightest, but just the lighter one. So I'll duplicate the shape into two. So Control C, Control F, and I want to apply an effect to this. So I'll go to distort, I'll go to effect. You can, in case you can't use that, you could go to effect, you could go to distort and transform, then you go to roughen. So I want to apply roughen effect to this. Um, it's okay there. So I think this is okay. You said okay and select the two of them. So highlight this and select this also with command. And so you're holding down shift, then click on it. So two of them are together. So I will blend them to, how do I do that? I hold Control Alt B and I have something like this which I do not own. So you come to the blend tool over here. In case you can't see your blend tool, you could change your workspace by going to Windows, you go to workspace and change to essential classic. So you have your blend tool here, you double click and you change this mode to specified steps, and specified steps then specified steps, then you will increase it to the point we want it to be like this, and yeah, one more, and that. We could double click inside, so we could, in case we want to edit them individually. So like we have two different shapes here. We have circle and we have the rectangle shape. So we double click if you want to edit them individually. Then you could click on here and you could scale it down if you want to, or you could probably flat it down. But I just want to do it like this. So double click outside, get out of the isolation, isolate them, unisolate them instead. So I'll place her in the center here, scale her up a little bit. Although the main aim is not to communicate the message, just to have a different approach to it. Because the main aim, it's, if you could see, this is a painter, like an artist, while this is like a interior decorator or painter, like that, how you call it. So we have something like this. You could scale it down a little bit and could try. So I want to input all these details down like in a straight line in this case, while the text will be behind her. And probably we could have some other elements flying around. We will have some paint as well. We'll try and see if we can get it from other sites. So let's just have the her text, the big text, that's the all shade global behind her. Let's see. So say all shades global. And let me try moment extended, and scale it up, uh, place center. No, it doesn't work well for me. It doesn't work well for me. If you decide to shift that to this side, will it work? Let's see. So let's double click this. Go inside. We could shift it towards this side. Let's see. No, I still prefer the center. I think she should be there, and everything should be there. Then we could try and see how we could work the text to be either by the side or okay. So I just have an idea. We are going to use the envelope tool. I think it's called the envelope tool. Yes, we're going to use the envelope distort. We're going to use the envelope distort to do something here, something very, very, very crazy. So we have a circle. Let's draw a circle. Let's place it around here, and we're going to split it into three shapes. One, two. Sorry, I'm using the curvature tool to slice it. So I do not want this. What's it called? I do not want this fill. So I'm going to turn off the fill, and also have another place being cut into here. So we'll have this, this, and this. Also cancel out the fill. So we'll have two shapes or two lines drawn on this shape. So we have this one and this one, this one. So we're going to have three different texts. I think the shape. Let's try something. I'm bring it down a little bit. No, up. Good. Up like this is okay. So we highlight all of them, or you select all of them, and we'll be using the Pathfinder tool. In case you can't find your Pathfinder, you go to Windows and you scroll down to Pathfinder, and you will have your Pathfinder tool. I already have it here, so I click on here, and I go to the divide tool. So when I click on the divide, it divides it, but it looks like it hasn't done anything. You understand? So you could come and you could see that there are three different shapes here. You right click on it, or you click on it, then right click on it, then you ungroup them, and they become separate shapes. So we have different text. We'll have three different texts in this case. So I will select this, cut, and place here. Select this, cut, and place here. While for you, you have all that to yourself. Good. So we'll have the color of text we want to use. I think I would choose to go with the the yellow, or should we go with the white instead? Let's have white because it's more pronounced in that case. So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to send every of this to the top. So you hold on your Control Shift, then you click on your close coily bracket, as you can see here. So now everything is on top. So if you move, you see it's under it. It's under it. So we select this and this as it's all. We come to Object. We come to Envelope Distort, and we look for Make with Object with Top Object. If you click on it, it will adapt into that shape. So we also do this with this one too. We click on it, go to Envelope Distort, and you could see the shortcut. It's Control Alt C. So we'll try it for the last one. Sorry, that's not supposed to be global. It's supposed to be all shades global. So click on this. So it's Control Alt C, and you come this to clean this one, Control Alt C, and you have all shades global in that. So we could scale this down a little bit. Scale it up. Okay, we could take it up a little bit, and this so it shows a little bit of suppression. Yeah, so I think this is good, and we can work with this as our probably our logo, something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. Yeah, either here or here. So I think yeah, I can agree. Let's group them. I think I can agree to bring her here, and we can move you here. But it means we will have to increase the ripples. So for the blend, we'll click on it, double click on your blend, and let's see if we ramp it up to 20. 16 is okay. Let's maybe, I want focus. Yes, yes. Then we draw a line in this case. Okay, so do not stretch text, please. Although this is a shape, a text shape, so and we have this. Good. So I will duplicate this just to create some a different effect. You could use this. No, you try and use the lighter part of it, and good. While we have this, good. So we could have the details here. That's for the Instagram, the TikTok, and every other social media handles. Please do not try and contact that social media handle, please. Yeah. So this is our content so far. Let me try and get other elements, probably elements you could download from sites. I will see if I could link some sites there in the description for you guys to use.